Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Plug the Android TV in and make sure the network name and password are available. Next, power on the TV and put your phone on the same Wi-Fi. Open the Google Home app or follow on screen, set up prompts. This is faster than digging through menus. Once done, allow Bluetooth and location when prompted so devices discover each other. If the TV shows a code, match it to your phone immediately to confirm the connection and continue. You'll now discover the Android TV. Watch for its name in Google Home or the device list on your phone. Tap it, then compare the numeric code shown on TV with the app to authenticate. Make sure the TV input is correct and enable casting or remote control under settings when prompted. This allows apps and screen share. Sign into your Google account so apps and preferences sync, and accept permissions for location, storage, and microphone only as required. Finish by installing updates and essential apps so the Android TV runs smoothly. This prevents odd behavior later. Test casting, remote control, and streaming apps to confirm everything works. If you can't find the TV, restart the router, phone, and TV in that order, then try Discovery again. This resolves most network issues. If Discovery still fails, check that the TV and phone are on the same subnet and disable VPNs. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort because it erases settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.